Welcome, it's 2021, things are a little bit different here. UK's now gone into lockdown again, so we're unable to go out and shoot. My office has now moved downstairs as I am expecting a baby this month as well, so I'm still getting used to how I want to light this area. This video was actually recorded just before the lockdown was initiated and just after Christmas, so technically it's a 2020 video, but either or, I hope you enjoy it. Hi, welcome to the behind the scenes video with Nicole.
Hi.
Today we decided to come out and shoot a sunrise this morning, but sadly there was no sunrise, so we've kind of winged the rest of this photo shoot, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's give you a rough idea of what we're looking at. By this point we'd had enough of the beach, so we decided to move on and move up off the beach and then start shooting around the clock tower. You're quite tall, even though the sun's quite high. It's quite nice, so I can still hide the sun behind you. Nicole had some scars with her and we've seen this idea on Instagram, so we thought we'd give it a go. Thanks for watching guys, and if you liked it consider subscribing, and I hope to bring more stuff like this to you in the new year.